Hi there, students. To take over. Okay, to start doing a job or start being responsible for something that somebody else was doing before. So, I have just taken over from the old teacher. Okay, so I took over as teacher in this class. I took over from the last person. Okay, John Symes has taken over as managing director. Okay, so taken control of, taken responsibility for. New management have taken over this restaurant. In business, to take over, to take control of a company by buying enough shares, yeah, and in this, a takeover bid, a takeover, either one word or hyphen. This is a phrasal noun. A takeover means that you take control of another company. You buy it. You buy all of the shares in that company, or you buy a controlling share. Yeah, they were involved in a takeover of this company. Yeah, to make a takeover bid for the company. There were talks between the two companies before the takeover was announced. I think Credit Suisse was taken over by another bank. Yeah. The company did not want a takeover bid from rivals. Okay, so a takeover, the act of taking control of something, but normally in business. Yeah. Okay, so to take over, to become responsible for a task after somebody else. So when are you going to take charge of things? When are you going to take over? The new regime will take over next week. Yeah, the new company took over the old company. They took charge of, they gained control of. Okay, you could have a military takeover. Yeah, where the army takes control, takes the power within a country. Yeah, okay, a military takeover. There was a military takeover in this country. Okay, so to assume control of something, to assume possession or responsibility of it. So yeah, a military junta took over the government. They became dominant. They took the position of control. So you can take over a company, you get control of it by buying enough shares to be able to vote with what you want. Yeah, to take over the position of something, to take over the responsibility of something. You could take over a building. So you have power over it. If there is a military coup, then the army or the revolutionaries take over the country. You take over a job or a role. You become responsible for that job. Somebody else stops doing it and you continue to do it. So I took over from my father when he retired. Yeah, if one thing takes over from something else, it becomes more important. It becomes more powerful. So, for example, the mobile phone has taken over from the fixed telephone. The mobile phone has taken over from the record player and from the CD. Yeah. Okay. So to take over, to be the new thing, to be the thing that has replaced everything else. Okay, formality, to take over. I think I'm going to give this a 4.5 in formality as a phrasal verb, to take control of. Yes, I think use it informally, semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing as well. To take over, to take control of. So enough. To take something over, take it over, separable. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To take over.